friends, running kimono, and this was like pretty much a free haul today over at Walgreens. I'll talk about it as an overall basket with a 5 off of 25 and then each one individually because I know not everybody has boosters. Over at the Dollar General, today is the final day of the clearance event. I think the next big thing we're gonna see over at the Dollar General is shortly thereafter Christmas leading into January, where Christmas items will be either 25 cents and then week after that 10 cents, and then maybe fingers and toes crossed in February of 2022 we might have another clearance event, but this one was pretty good. I did a couple hauls on Saturday with the 5 off of 25, and after everything was said and done, I think this was $9, so that was really winning. And if you did any of the shopping with the clearance event, for the next week, hang on to all of your receipts. You never know. There might be a rebate on IBOTTA for like that. You might get $1 back or not. But you know, just hang on to your receipts. Possibly more money to be had in family. Report for you guys. It's a beautiful day out here. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens, and if you missed it, I made a video this morning about this specific deal as a curbside pickup. Now, I know a lot of you are just into going into the store and buying stuff. That is your comfort level. With the $10 digital for this, you have to do it as a curbside pickup because the digital coupon gets reduced down to $9.49, the cost of this. Now, if you do that in store, it just won't work. So that's why you have to do this one as a curbside pickup. So curbside, you basically order your stuff, drive to the store, walk in, go to, and then once the order is processed, this guy prints out of the Catalina machine. So let's just go through this very, very quickly. Looking at this order together online to order it as a curbside pickup, Mr. Olay is $9.49. We have a $10 manufacturer that expires in January. So guys, if you cannot get this, it's not in stock, maybe check a week or two from now. That coupon does not expire for many, many months. You will be able to track one down between now and January. So I am short by 51 cents to get my basket to $10 because it has to be a minimum of 10 bucks before you can place an order at good old Walgreens. So I threw in the toothpaste. 2 of them is $7.98. We have a 4 off of 2 digital. So yeah, that's some magic. So remember, we have the 10 off for that. It gets reduced down to $9.49 and the $4 for that. So the new total is $3.98, not including your tax. With tax over here, I threw in $5 of Walgreens cash. I think I paid like 3 cents, guys, and then I got back this when I went to the store. So a really good deal. You got to do curbside. If you want to just do this deal in store, yes, you can with the toothpaste. So going through just the toothpaste on its own, grabbing 2 of those, that is $7.98. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital, you're going to pay $3.98 out of pocket and then get back a $5 register reward, making it free plus $1 money maker. By chance, if you want to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so this next deal I did in store that include grabbing one of these fancy Schick razors, the disposable Schick razor, and then an Edge shave cream. So a real dude haul here. So shout out to all my male subscribers. I did a haul for you. So for all of this stuff, it is $17.97. We have a $3 for the fancy, a $4 for the disposable, and $1 for the Edge. So that's $8 of coupons coming off right there. Because this is a very weird promotion of spend 15, get back 5, you have to pay with your debit card, credit card, cash bills for the balance. Do not use Walgreens cash. $9.97 out of pocket with my debit card. And then I got back $5 of Walgreens cash for spending 15 on these good products, Plus, IBOTTA has $1 back for that shave gel. So it makes it $3.97 for the 3 products or $1.32 per product. Remember, do not use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. Okay, the soft soap and Irish Spring, these guys are $3.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, that's $7.98. We have a 50-cent digital for both the soft soap and Irish Spring, shaving off $1. You'll pay $6.98 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Because this is a buy promotion, if you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay for this, to spend it to earn it, you can absolutely do that. And then you'll get back your $5. So it makes it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per body wash. Hey guys, so I had a goofy booster of spend 20, get back 5. So this is what I bought. One Schick disposable razor, $5.99. Mr. Fancy for $8.99. The gel for $2.99. And then these 2 cuties for $7.98. The total of my basket is $25.95. I had a spend 20, get back 5 digitally loaded to my account. And then I had the following digital coupons that came off. 4 for this, 3 for this, $1 for this, 50 cents, 50 cents. So then with my debit card, I paid $16.95, and then I got back $15 of Walgreens cash. 5 for this, 5 for this, 5 for the basket. Plus, IBOTTA gave me back $1 for this. So the final price point for everything is 95 cents for the 5 items or 19 cents for each. But if you consider that was $1 moneymaker, if we're not going to factor in tax, the whole haul was basically for free, so that is not the worst deal. Out of the Catalina machine, this guy printed, which is $8 back when you spend $35. On my second store card, I have like spend 50, get back 10. So that would be $18 back when I spend 50. So I'm gonna have to cook up a $50 basket. Watch out for that video later in the week. So I'm not sure if you guys did this free photo. I had this in my matchups last Thursday. Free 8x10 photo using the code cheese8x10. Had to embarrass my mom a little bit with her new leaf blower. She is so happy with that. So a little picture for her. Give this to her for Christmas. She looks so proud. So very delighted with Walgreens. Everything went perfectly today. So the Dollar General clearance event, we're just gonna breeze through this. And if you are not interested, I fully understand. First item is this 409. This guy was $1.45. And I will throw in the UPC just as I'm speaking and scan it. Today is the last day to look for these goods as the sale ends on Sunday the 10th. So these Febreze Air with the Downy were $1.33. We have $1 digital coupon, so it drops them down to 33 cents each. Okay, our friend corn oil is $1.57. I had other items that were giving me a bit of overage, so I really didn't fill this one out of pocket. This has a very quick expiry date, so I only grabbed one. It expires in February, and I'm not sure how much corn oil I can use between now and then. These little Safeguard hand soaps are $1.33 each. We had a digital coupon, but it expired on Saturday. But if you wanted one of these, it's $1.33 each. The St. Ives face cleanser, this is $1.67. I had a $1 digital coupon, so it made it 67 cents. Centrum men's gummies are $3.15. I did not even find them in the clearance section. They were just on a regular shelf. Go and figure that one out. Over on coupons.com, there is a $4 printable. Subtracting that, it makes it free plus 85 cents of overage. You need something to grab your overage, so, you know, grab something else to pick up that overage. But that is really fantastic. A lot of these also have a very quick expiry date, like end of the year, so use them right away. A ton of these denture bonds, and they were in a tote, like nobody wanted them, and they're an old penny item. I was telling you guys to look high and low for these pennies, and I found a bunch. Of course I would find this. I wouldn't find, like, you know, more trash bags, but I did find a bunch of these. Chapsticks, I just grabbed them because I needed my basket to get closer to $25. So these were 97 cents each. And the 5 off of 25 is a Saturday coupon only, just to note that. If you're like, how can I save that extra 5? Saturday only, sorry guys. These little Swiffers were $2.03. I have a $3 from the... I have a $3 digital, so it dropped it down to 3 cents. I was able to track down 2 more, so I was very delighted with that. These U by Kotex tampons, they're $1.45. Today, a $1 digital showed up for that, making it 45 cents. Outdoor sprayer, it was $1.80, which is a heck of a deal. Next summer, spring, my husband and I really want to get into having a home garden, especially after all of the nonsense this year. I want to really get into trying to grow a couple of vegetables, so very excited by this. Now this is probably one of my favorite finds yesterday. I got 6 boxes of the Sesame Street cereal. There was a $1 peely found on the box. That coupon beeps at checkout, so you'll have to have a manager or a cashier to help you like key it in. But the coupon's actually found in store, which is kind of crazy. So this guy is $1.12. There is a $1 digital or the $1 peely, so it makes it 12 cents. This has a pretty quick expiry date of next January, so donate them, eat them sooner than later. The Defy was $4.47. In the October P&G, we have a $3 coupon, so it made it $1.47. That is a killer price point. Okay, the Neutrogena wipes, $2.70. We have a $1.50 digital, making this $1.20. Again, I tossed it in with a 5 off of 25 on a Saturday. That's the only way I could reconcile that, but still a really good deal for these wipes. And they're all individually packaged as well. How cute are these? The little pie pan is 45 cents. I only found one of these, but to make your delicious keto meals or whatever, it's always good to have these around. And then these little decorative boxes for gifts or whatever, I was gonna try and DIY a couple of them for, you know, for Christmas. You know, obviously I have to put something else on it. The small one was 75 cents. I love this one. I'm going to keep it. And these ones with these flaps were like $1.20 a pop. I got this one. I'm going to obviously do something different with that, like put something on it. And then I thought for my husband's mom, we would put one of her Christmas gifts in this because she would really love it. As seen on TV, it's called a screen caddy. So you put your, like a little caddy to put remotes and stuff on. And this guy was $3.75. And I'll show you the UPC. Also, so stinking cute to put in your laundry room. Little clips to put miscellaneous socks. This guy was only 50% of this. I thought it would be a deeper discount, but it was $2.50. Hang that in your laundry room. I think it is so, so cute. So that is it. Remember, this is Sunday. This sale ends. So if you have a Dollar General, you might want to scan some of these UPCs that I showed you. Is this stuff in stock? Yes or no? Is it worth your time? Yes or no? And go and have fun with it. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.